Hi there, my name is Daniel, and today I want to show you a simple program that will allow you to make money with your phone working only 1 to 2 hours a day. That's right, like me, you can turn your phone into a part-time business. Here's how I do it. Every day, I post a few ads on the web and on free apps. From these ads, I get a bunch of inquiries by email or text about the opportunities I advertise on sites like Facebook, LetGo, Craigslist, and many other online classified apps and websites. I answer each inquiry with a link to a webpage where I teach people like you how my simple program works. I invite each visitor to become a member and pay me $5 to get their own landing page just like mine, except every time someone becomes a member from your page, you get paid. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. If you can put in a couple hours a day to promote your landing page, either on Facebook, Craigslist, or many other classified sites or apps, then I promise this program will work for you. If you expect to pay $5 and become a millionaire, well, this ain't gonna do it. The job is simple. You post ads, answer inquiries, and make money doing it. It's not rocket science. Before you get all excited about this unique opportunity, well, you should know that you'll need a free PayPal business account so you can get paid. I'll walk you through that 5-minute process step by step. Plus, I'll give you templates you can use when posting ads, so all you have to do is copy and paste. I'll also give you templates so you can copy and paste replies when your inquiries start pouring in. So there you have it. Simple job that pays cash money every day. The more you work, the more you earn. Get started now. You'll be glad you did.